How to get Hulu application free with Spotify. In this video, I will show you how can you easily get Hulu application with Spotify. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly either open Spotify application or go to its official website. Provide your details and click on login. If not, create a new account. After you have logged in your Spotify account, click on profile icon at the top right corner and click on account. After that, you will see the option of activate Hulu. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the page where you need to provide your payment detail. As with the premium membership in Spotify, you will be able to access Hulu applications for free. So once you are done providing your payment detail, click on next and then you will be able to purchase both Spotify premium membership and also access to Hulu application. So that's it. That is how easily you can get Hulu free with Spotify. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.